Turmeric, an ancient spice originating from the Indian subcontinent, has been revered for centuries for its vibrant golden color and remarkable medicinal properties. Widely known as the golden spice, turmeric has gained global recognition due to its numerous health benefits. This essay explores the various advantages of turmeric, shedding light on its potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and therapeutic properties that have captivated the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts worldwide. 1. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is responsible for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in numerous chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Curcumin's ability to inhibit inflammatory markers and enzymes helps mitigate inflammation, providing relief and potentially preventing the onset of these conditions. Incorporating turmeric into one's diet may promote overall well-being and reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases. 2. Antioxidant armor. Another remarkable characteristic of turmeric is its potent antioxidant activity. Oxidative stress, caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, can lead to cell damage, premature aging, and the development of chronic diseases. Curcumin acts as a powerful scavenger, neutralizing free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative damage. By incorporating turmeric into our daily routine, we can fortify our bodies with a natural antioxidant shield, supporting optimal health. 3. Enhanced brain function. Turmeric has shown promising effects on cognitive function and brain health. Curcumin's ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and its neuroprotective properties have been subjects of extensive research. Studies suggest that turmeric may enhance memory, improve attention span, and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While more research is needed, incorporating turmeric into a balanced diet may contribute to maintaining a sharp mind as we age. 4. Heart health and cholesterol regulation. Maintaining a healthy heart is paramount for overall well-being. Turmeric exhibits cardioprotective properties by reducing inflammation, lowering oxidative stress, and improving blood circulation. Additionally, curcumin has been found to regulate cholesterol levels, particularly by reducing low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. By promoting a healthy lipid profile and supporting cardiovascular function, turmeric serves as a natural ally in the pursuit of heart health. 5. Kidneys. Turmeric's antioxidant properties may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which is known to contribute to kidney damage and disease progression. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage. 6. Digestion. Turmeric has long been recognized in traditional medicine for its digestive benefits. Its natural compounds stimulate bile production, aiding in digestion and promoting the breakdown of dietary fats. Turmeric also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate symptoms associated with digestive disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and ulcerative colitis. Adding turmeric to meals or consuming it as a herbal tea may contribute to improved digestion and gastrointestinal comfort. 7. Cancer. Turmeric is also known to possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which have the ability for cancer prevention. Conclusion. The enchanting golden hue of turmeric is matched only by the abundance of health benefits it offers. From its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to its positive impact on brain health, heart function, and digestion, turmeric has rightfully earned its place as a prized superfood. Whether consumed as a spice in culinary dishes, incorporated into herbal teas, or taken as a supplement, harnessing the power of turmeric is a simple yet effective way to enhance overall well-being and promote a healthier, more vibrant life.